back, and today I got some two monster trucks from Walmart. Well, here it is, a yellow black Dragonoid. And I had a grave digger bite, but BKT does have a Spin Master Zombie, but that one, I have just got my box. I have a Max D regular, but this, but I have a Massimo Long Dalmatian regular, but with a BKT dark tires. I have a regular Octomator, but a Octomator with blue tires. Saving for just in time, but one, but I have a Hot Wheels. So here it is, Blackened Dragonoid. And here it is, the Dragonoid. It has a yellow one, pretty nice, as you can see. It's black and right there. It has BKT tires, but it is visible. Let's see what it is. A yellow rubber band. And same thing, a poster. Let's move on. Same with package, Mark Warrior, but I have a black Dragonoid right there. So here it is, Great Clips Mark Warrior. So here we are, Great Clips Mark Warrior. Here's pretty nice with a Great Clips logo on it. Here's a Mark Warrior right there, as you can see. A same poster, but a purple ribbon, as you can see. And a Monster Jam poster, once again. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.